Hello, boys and girls. For math today, you will have one activity, and it is our ship, shape, flats. Now we're going to talk about flat shapes. So on this page, you will notice a whole bunch of shapes and a whole bunch of non-shapes. So, shapes are closed, where all of the lines meet. So if you notice on here, some of them have open spaces, like this one. So this one would not be considered a shape. So when you are following the directions up at the top, keep that in mind. So the first thing says to grab your pencil tool and put an X on the little shapes. So you have to look at them and compare. So you're going to come down and grab the pencil, and you are going to find little ones and cross them off there. I don't know what was taking so long. You're going to cross them off. Before you begin, don't forget to hit this microphone button. So you're going to find all of the little ones and cross them off. So that's your first step. Then it says to color the big shapes. So you can get your marker tool if you want. I'm going to pick purple because that's the best color ever. And you're just going to color in the big shapes. Nice and neatly. This is your only activity today, so you can take your time and do it so nicely. Practice on being in control of the tool. All right, so you're going to find all of the big shapes and color them. Then it says you're going to grab your pencil tool back. So I'm going to grab my pencil. Circle the shapes with 4 sides. So 1, 2, 3. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. No sides. 2. Oh, that's not closed. That's not a shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. When you're done, click the green check mark and send it to your teacher.